Oh, hi, YouTube. Oh, hi. It's me, Vidalia. So, I didn't get to do a morning video because my mom walked my dogs, and I'm so happy I didn't have to walk them because, man, waking up in the morning and going down 3 flights of stairs with 2 crazy little dogs is so rough sometimes. So I figured I'd take a walk on lunch and then I would message you guys or video my face to you guys. So I found this cute little park that's crawling with all sorts of weird creatures. But I figured I'd see what's up. Oh my god, they got little workout machines. Hold on, guys. Like, how do I change this? Whatever. I am not good with the technologies. Look at that. What else do we got here? Look at that. That's pretty legit. I didn't know this was here. This is a new little park. It's about a mile from work. So I work for a software company. That's my little 9-to-5 day job. Besides being a wellness coach and just getting ahead in life. But how are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling after the election? How are you guys feeling with the world? With this amazing weather? Like, guys, I'm happy. I feel good. My energy is vibing. I am through the roof right now. I might sound a little wheezy because I did not bring my inhaler. But it's okay, you know, it ain't easy being wheezy, but I can do it. I'm walking in this big empty space of a park that I found. And why is my energy so high? Guys, this right here. You see this? This is life. It is nothing special. It is nothing out of this world. It's just good, clean products that do what they promise. They get you healthy. They get you energized. I mean, it is the middle of my workday. I am here till 8 o'clock. And my ass is walking in a park on my lunch. That's a mile from work, so I gotta walk a mile back. And I'm in sandals. Oh, but it feels good. Like I'm gonna walk into the sun so you can see how good it feels. Ah, look at me. It's like the world birthed me. But no, I just feel good. So I want to tell you guys a little bit of me and kind of what I do. I started Herbalife pretty much when I got divorced. I ballooned to 260 pounds. 260 pounds on like 5'8", 5'9". I look like a tank. I mean, I am a machine. So I figured my acne is going crazy. I feel hideous. I don't look right. My clothes don't fit. I'm wearing yoga pants all the time. What is happening? I reevaluated myself, and then I saw a friend of mine posted a picture of her weight loss on Facebook. So I was like, yo, what do I have to lose? I'm miserable. My confidence was on the ground. I didn't want to be that divorcee that's like, oh, my husband left me and blah, blah, blah. Yes, I did leave my husband, but at the same time, it wasn't a smooth process. It wasn't a smooth divorce. So we were both hurt. We're both upset. And I figured, you know what? What do I have to lose? I have weight to lose. But what really do I have to lose if financially or emotionally? I was spending about $200 on coffee. $150 at Starbucks. I love Starbucks. And $50 on Dunkin' Donuts. That's a lot of money. $200 a month. Herbalife products, when you sign up, it's like $70 to be a member. You get a 25% discount. Shout out to my couponers. And then it's $160. And that's breakfast and dinner. So I'm using the money I would have used for coffee, and now my grocery money goes in my pocket for me to do my nails or get a haircut or buy new clothes. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do it. And then I decided to do it. And since then, I've lost 50 pounds. This was January. We're now in October. And I'm working on my other 50 pounds to go. So it's just a combination of not just losing weight, but feeling good, feeling energized, feeling like you can take on the world. So I always tell everybody, hey, listen, I'm not going to shove it down your throat. I'm just going to let you know. If you don't want to hear it, you know, sorry. But if you do want to hear it and you're interested, let me know. We're the #1 nutrition company, 94 countries, vitamins, minerals. We have a skin line. I mean, oh, it's so amazing. And then you get a discount. Like, I don't have to pay retail. I don't have to go to Walgreens and pay retail like Walgreens or Walmart. No, you don't. So I've taken that lifestyle and I've just ran with it. So it's about getting out, getting fit, because the shakes aren't going to make you go exercise. Yeah, it's 80% nutrition, but it's a mental thing. You have to go out and do this. Don't just sit at work and gossip. Don't just sit at work and be negative. Go out and mingle. Go out and, I don't know, look at a tree. Look at this tree. Hello, tree. You know, you got to do that kind of thing. But, man, just feeling really good today. It's a Thursday. It's almost Friday. Man, so I just want to leave this video here. I'm going to figure out how to do all this editing stuff. I'm so new to YouTube. I came per the suggestion of my honey, and he was like, hey, you talk a lot. And I'm like, I do. Yes, I do very much. And I do in very various accents. I'm Cuban, if nobody knows, but I'm Cuban and I do a very good Russian accent. You know, very communist. I'm not. I hate communists. Sorry, Russia. But, so I'm hoping to have fun. Oh, a squirrel. But, oh my God, I'm getting so close to it. It's just going to sit there and let me. Do you see me? Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, I don't know how to turn my camera around. But, all right, guys, this video is almost hitting 6 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to load it, but peace out. I love you guys. Stay strong, mentally, physically. Eat good, exercise, and represent where you're from. Don't be ashamed to say you're from the U.S. We're struggling a little bit, but we're kicking ass and we're taking names, okay? Peace out.